In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert your website from Wix to WordPress. Whether you're looking for more flexibility, expanded plugin options, or greater customization ability, moving to WordPress can be a game changer for your website. Now, if you're ready, let's get started. First, we'll begin by heading over to your Wix website editor. You'll want to open up your site in the Wix editor to make sure everything is up to date and that there are no loose ends before transfer. This step is essential for ensuring that all the content you want to move is current and ready to go. After you've verified everything in the editor, the next thing we need to do is publish your Wix website. Even if your site is already live, it's best to click Publish one more time. This will ensure that any last-minute changes are saved and will be included in the export process. Think of it as setting a fresh starting point, capturing all your latest updates. With your Wix site published and ready, we can move on to the WordPress side of things. Head over to WordPress and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Tools section in your WordPress dashboard. This is where you will find the tools necessary to import your Wix site. In the Tools section, you'll see an option labeled Import. Click on it to open the import options. We're going to be using an import tool specifically designed for transferring from Wix, making this process straightforward. From the import list, find and click on Wix. This option is designed to help you seamlessly transition your content from Wix to WordPress. It's really one of the most user-friendly ways to handle what can otherwise be a tricky process. Next, you'll need to type in the URL of your current Wix website. Be sure to double-check the URL to avoid any mistakes, as an incorrect URL might mean missing out on some of your site's key material during the import. After typing in your Wix website's address, the next step is to click Continue. This prompts the WordPress system to recognize the Wix site and prepares it for the transition. Finally, you'll be met with the option to start the import. Click on Yes, Start Import, and WordPress will begin importing your site's data from Wix. This may take a little while depending on the size of your website, but be patient. You'll receive a notification once the import process is complete. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully transferred your website from Wix to WordPress. Enjoy the newfound freedom and flexibility of WordPress and get started with customizing your site even further with its wide range of plugins and themes. Thanks for joining me in this process, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below.